Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we had another pretty nice push up today, which was definitely expected. I mean, it does definitely have five waves now. We do definitely see one, two, three, four, and five. So maybe we are getting close. We do have CPI news tomorrow. I suspect that CPI news tomorrow at this rate possibly could cause this to go down, maybe even starting a big correction into this whole five-way pattern up. But sometimes you have to keep in consideration that if this really is the end of an ABC back here on the daily, weekly time frame, then you could get what's called the blasting effect. So if this actually does spend the next 24 hours, actually more like 20 hours into tomorrow's news, doing something like this, then you get something like this prior to the news, I would definitely still be looking for longs if I see something like that. On the other hand, if it looks like, anything like this tomorrow, then I would say that most likely it's going to end the wave 5. Most likely tomorrow's CPI news will cause it to go down, probably cause it to break some structure, and maybe even be the beginning of a big move down, which would probably be a crescent to this whole 5 waves up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.